The replacement soft top with tinted windows in black diamond is for those of you that have a 1997 to 2006 TJ that are looking for a replacement soft top. That is just the soft materials and the windows. There are going to be a couple different categories of soft top when you're shopping for soft tops. Replacement soft tops, which we're talking about today, and again, that's your soft top material and your windows. There's also going to be a complete soft top. That's going to include all of the frame, all of the hardware. So if you don't have a frame, or if your frame's not in good shape and missing stuff, maybe you want to look at a complete soft top. But of course, they are going to be more expensive because they include so much more. And finally, you can look at non-factory style soft tops. Those are going to be your fastback style tops, your hybrid hardtop soft tops, a lot of different options there. So again, this is just the soft material designed to go on a good working order soft top frame that you already have. This is going to be a very simple 1 out of 3 wrench install, but we'll talk a little bit more about that in just a second. So when you are looking at these replacement soft tops, you're really going to be looking at the quality of the material and the quality of the construction. Now you can step up to some really high quality materials that are thicker, have additional layers, they're gonna wear better, be a little bit quieter. This is gonna be a little bit more of a basic black diamond material that you would have seen on a TJ as it rolls right off of the assembly line. So it's not going to have a lot of additional features, a lot of additional frills. It's just going to be a good basic soft top. This does include some 30 mil thick tinted windows, which is a very nice feature. The factory tops on your TJ probably weren't tinted, and it's very difficult to tint the soft plastic, so getting them tinted out of the box is really nice, keeps it a little bit cooler and gives you a little bit more privacy inside the Jeep. But other than that, if you know what a factory soft top looks like, that's what you can expect from this. This is very, very similar to a factory top. No surprises here. It's just an inexpensive soft top that's going to directly replace your existing factory top and do a good job of it. This top's gonna run you right around $270, and I do think that's gonna be a pretty good price for what you're getting. It is a quality, direct factory replacement top. Again, you can spend more for a top that has additional features, is built of a higher quality material, but if you're looking for just a basic replacement soft top, this is gonna do a nice job at a fair price. Now, a member of the install team will show you how you get this installed on your TJ.
The only tool required for this installation is a Phillips head screwdriver. However, I use an impact with this Phillips bit. So to start off, let's get our factory soft top out of here. Get our windows out. Now we're going to release our corners here, flip them up, and you'll see that we have some snaps here. We'll undo those. Our bow just fell backwards, that's fine. Again, we're gonna bring this up, bring both of these up. So your top should look something just like this. We're not gonna release this center bow yet. We're actually going to release our header panel and do all the screws that secure our top to the front. So on the top here, there are 10 screws securing our top to the header panel. Let's go ahead and remove all 10. Get that soft top out of there just by pulling back on it a little bit, just freeing it up. There you go. We can put this panel back into place up forward. Now we can go ahead and remove this center Velcro section and get our old top out of here. So now we have our new soft top in hand, and the new one's gonna go on the same one the old one came off. So we're gonna attach this center section right here with this Velcro. Make sure that your front is going to be orientated in the front. Open up this Velcro, start wrapping it a little bit. You should be able to slide it down and get that final placement. So this isn't going to be exact here. We're just gonna get it around this bar so we can work on the front. All right. We can come back to this in a little bit, make sure that all that Velcro is seated. Right now we don't want it tight, so we can move it around. So let's go ahead and get the front where that needs to be. Get the header panel back up. And start tucking our top around our new piece here. Make sure that's folded like that. And there's the corner of our top. It's just gonna sit right. So here is the back side of our top. You can see that there are a couple channels here already like cut out in this plastic piece here. That's gonna line up perfectly with these screw holes. And then you'll see that the spacing is a little closer here. That is for your center. So let's get the center. When you're doing soft tops, you always want to work from the center out. And I did drill some holes in this so I could get my hardware through it. All right, now we're just gonna go down the line and get all these screwed in. Now that we have our top attached to our header panel, let's go ahead and secure the side little channels here. Do that on both sides. So now that we have our header panel and center section hooked up, we're gonna bring up our rear bow. So we're gonna attach our snaps to the rear bow now. Now we're going to attach our corners here. I like to just push down on my bow here to help me out. So let's go ahead and attach our windows. They are in the same spot as our old top. So just get the zipper started up here in the corner. So what we're gonna do now is attach our tailgate bar to our back window here. It just slides into this channel just like the old one came off. I'm gonna have it in there nice and even. Looks good there. So now let's install our back window. We've got our new door bar on there as well. And make sure the bar here is in place. That's gonna wrap up my install of this replacement top with tinted windows for your Jeep TJ. For all things Wrangler, keep it here at ExtremeTerrain.com.